Livarno Desk Chair, height adjustable, ergonomically shaped backrest and seat with breathable mesh cover.
Wow, breathable mesh cover. 3 years of
Guarantee.
warranty. Wow.
And max weight capacity 110 kilograms.
What do you think? Can we assemble it by self?
Yeah.
Of course.
Of
Let's
course.
unbox it. Adjustable tilt mechanism. It's usual for office chair. Let's unbox it. Look.
What is this? What is this? It's in blue. It's blue.
Here. Gas lift X1 cover and caster and hardware. Maybe it's gas lift system. Put it here.
First,
Yeah,
let me try it.
try it. Is it convenient?
Yeah, I can put it like here, and now I
Okay,
have.
next. Second one for you. Gas lift is here. Oh, not the gas lift. Adjustable tilt mechanism, maybe this one. You can see anything, and now you can see everything.
Hey, yo, what is this?
Wow.
I like it.
It's stand for your seat. I put it here.
Helicopter. The helicopter theme.
Helicopter. Your seat.
It's good. Oh, the helicopter theme. What is this?
It's for spine.
Oh, let me see it. Let me see it.
See it. Do not touch it. See it and touch it, it is different things.
I don't care. Okay, put it.
Let's unbox gas lift. A lot of screws here.
What is this? Screws.
Screws. Wheels
Wheel.
and gas lift. Well, not
What is it?
cover for gas lift.
What is it?
And some cover too. Gas lift cover and hardware. Okay, we need some manual. Let's put the wheels here.
It's like a helicopter.
To click. Is it click?
No. It doesn't click.
You doesn't have enough power.
I have. Yeah, how did you made it? Stop, I want, please. Yes.
Yes.
I have enough
Okay.
power. Huh?
After wheels, we need to put back gas lift and cover. Put it here.
Like that?
Like that. to click. You click. Stop. Yeah, it's clicked. Okay. Maybe so, no? No?
I think
We need to... One more plugged.
better.
Next one, we need to connect this mechanism to the seat.
Now we need to turn the seat
Yeah.
and connect this mechanism, the adjustable tilt mechanism.
Yeah. We unbox it.
Can I help you?
No.
Why not?
I don't unbox something.
Thank you.
Wow, beautiful. Take this part and put it here. Here we have two holes. You can do it backwards. Else.
Or else.
Or else. Yeah. 411. Yeah. This part. And we will put them here.
Can I screw one, please? I want to do some.
Take it.
Oh, thank you. You can do that one. Oh, you can do it like that. I didn't thought about that. Nice material. I'll say.
I don't know how you will wash it.
You don't need to wash it.
Yeah. Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure about that. Yes, I'm sure about that.
Okay. Next one. First we need to put some handles. Look, right side and front is here. Front is here. Here is backwards. For back. Yeah. Put it here and give me.
I will screw them.
Give me all three.
I will screw them to the finish. Okay?
Okay.
Good deal. And now the other side.
Let's check it. Safety first.
Yeah. Safety first.
Okay. Other side.
Here is the handle. No. I will do it to finish. I will do it to finish. I said.
Okay, do it. Let's put covers
Colors for the handles.
on the handles. Maybe we have some screw here and we can put it like this maybe. Oh,
Good.
yeah, like new one.
Now can I do it from this side?
Yes, you can.
First we need to take.
Wow, good job.
Thank you.
Next one is here.
Wow.
Look,
So good.
you can wash it. You can
Yeah.
unzip it and wash it.
Zip.
Here. Give me a screws.
So you need to put big ones here and small ones here.
Okay, give me big one. This one is big. Need to push small one.
I will.
At first do small. Stop. Click for them simultaneously, maybe.
Рычаг.
Да.
Правый сайт.
It's good. It's okay. Let's rotate it.
Now we need to connect this thing to the chair.
Yeah.
Connect it.
Okay. Take a seat.
Finally.
You can do some regulation.
You know, it's
Yeah.
okay. I will say it's
Okay,
okay.
I will take a seat.
No.
Give it my turn.
No.
Wow.
I think it's more for you.
Here we can adjust a tilt like this. And the height. Now it's height. Wow. It's convenient.
But now it's mine. So go away.
Okay,
Away.
your turn.
Gross.